Welcome to our YouTube channel. We share it with the Gaza boss. Satria, big up to you, the man behind the camera. So today we are going to show you a few exercises. So the first one will be inner chest and tricep combined. Then we'll show you how to stretch your back, or even to pull your back using bench. So I'm going to just do 10 on each. So
yo, it's a device. Oh, magazine. Chatlas. Right hand. Natural. Go skill. Line. Shut on. Take your man. Vibes to the maximum. Hey, magazine, Tatla sound. Wait, it's a deep vibes. Hey, in the phone, Longanziba, the web up, Longanzib, what's going on? What's your man? I want to come here on Mario. I say, don't tempt the scene by Pop Whip Up. Wanna, what's kiri? Land, you there? If I strain, Ikwanize kuyenda kubebi. If I strain, Ikwanize kuita shisecha. If I strain, Manda mira mzira zangu cha. If I strain, Misai, Uyai nyadenga, Uyai chacha, Uyai cha. If I strain, Ishe soja. If I strain, Ishe wangu wedenga, nasi futi ndo tenda. dzavabata hanzi watadza dzimasocha